Hello again, guys. Rather than me welcoming you to another episode, maybe you should welcome me back. It's been over a month and a lot has certainly happened since our last video. The great news is I'm a married man now and I'm blessed beyond words. Bailey and I were on our honeymoon for 2 weeks, and then when we got back, we went to Nashville for the week of Thanksgiving. After being away from everything for 3 weeks, we are just now getting back to making videos again. Thank you for being patient with us, and we are just as motivated today as we've ever been to make these videos and reach for the financial moon. All I can say is, wow, the stock market has really been acting up since I've been gone. My goodness. We're here today to try to put some context around what we think is happening and what we have been and are doing now. I'm Chase, and this is the MOONSHOT Money Channel. Are you ready? Let's go. Inflation, the Omicron variant of COVID, the passing of the infrastructure bill, Build Back Better still hanging out there with massive tax implications. These are just a few things that, among many others, are moving the market right now. It seems like those of us that are growth and innovation investors are being punished disproportionately. Our stocks have just been pummeled over the last few weeks. We got a call last Friday from a relative wanting to know what we thought about all this madness. Our thesis remains unchanged. The future is undoubtedly in the hands of innovation. I think you agree with that, or you wouldn't be here watching this video with us today. There are some companies that are changing the world, and when they go on sale like this, we cautiously begin a second or even a third wave of accumulation. We look at it this way. The stock price appears to be broken, but the business itself is perfectly healthy. That, my friends, is the green flag for us to buy. For the nervous out there, this dippy roller coaster is not new. We've seen this time and time again. You just don't want to make the terrible mistake of selling now and taking a loss. You also don't want to buy at the top only to watch the price free fall. We never do that. That's rule number 1 and 1A. Remember though, stocks take the stairs up and the window down. That's why down days get your attention way more than the up days do. We watch stocks that we are very excited about, and when the price gets broken, we buy some more. We are not traders, we are investors. Our timeline is 5 years to 10 years and beyond. We aren't worried about 10 to 20% fluctuations now. We're looking at what these companies will be in 2025 to 2030 and beyond. Big dips today are just opportunities for more profit down the road. When we see Tesla drop under $1,000, we are buying a little more. When we see a company like CRISPR under $70, we are buyers. When Palantir and Pacific Biosciences drift under $19, yep, you guessed it, we'll take a little more of each, please. Ginkgo Bioworks under $9 was another no-brainer for us. SoFi under our $16 average was another buying opportunity that we could not refuse. Invitae, ticker NVTA, dipped under $15, which is absolutely crazy. But here's one truth though. No one knows what the stock market is going to do. It could crash further tomorrow and even further next day. We always try to keep a little dry powder in our arsenal. It's impossible to time the market and snatch the bottom. Just dollar cost average on huge dips and let time in the market work in your eventual favor. Our dad Mike has moved a little from investing in growth and innovation to accumulating dividend stocks for future cash flow and blue chip type companies. He's also been taking advantage of a few great companies that are bumping off their 52-week lows. One stock that just had its knees knocked out lately is Disney. It was down 20% in the last 3 months, so he's been buying. AT&T and Verizon are two more that he's been buying over the last few days. These are dividend moves for sure. We are also firm believers in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we have been paying attention to Bitcoin at $47,000 and Ethereum at $3,900. Our current buy triggers are under $50,000 and under $4,000. So have you been accumulating any Bitcoin and Ethereum? What stocks have you been buying during this big dip? We would love to hear from each and every one of you in the comments, and we always try to get back to each of you. Which stocks have you been buying? Have you been buying any crypto? If so, tell us which ones. We always love hearing from all of you. Remember, we're not financial advisors, and this is certainly not financial advice. We'll be uploading videos in the next days ahead as we gather more information about the market and all the things influencing it. Make sure to subscribe on your way out, and remember, if you're not interested in your money, someone else is. We'll see you on the moon.